up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? It's Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, yada dada, however you want to know me. It is your girl. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be creating this look using our Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. I received this palette in my Boxycharm, so I just wanted to test it out. I never really tried any of the Lime Crime eyeshadow palettes before, so yeah, if you guys would like to see this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.
Okay, you guys, so I started out with my ColourPop Limoncello palette, and I took Lemon Squeeze and placed that in my crease, and I'm using this as a transition shade because the Lime Crime palette doesn't have any shades that I would use to transition the other colors on my lid. I then went in with the Grudo from the Lime Crime palette and also placed that in my crease. I'm also using this as a transition color. If you guys haven't checked out my Limoncello palette, you should definitely check that out. I'm really loving this palette. I love the color selection in this palette. I love how they have all of these transition shades. These are shades that I would literally use every day. So yeah, I just really love this palette. But I also went in with Tuscan Fun, and I'm just placing that at the top of Grudo and in between Lemon Squeeze to really kind of blend those together and make everything look a lot more seamless. So yeah, we're jumping in to the Venus 3 palette from Lime Crime. Super excited to use this palette, you guys. So the first color that I'm starting off with is Ecstasy, and this is a dark, it's more of a dark gray, like a plum dark brown shade, and I'm just placing that in the outer crease area, and I'm using this to add depth to my eyeshadow look today. And as you can see, you guys, as I'm blending the eyeshadow look, that Ecstasy color looks really purpley, if that makes any sense. It's just kind of more of a dark purple tone. So that's also why I needed other colors to transition the look. And then you're also going to see me go in with Dreamy and place that right above my eyebrow, and I'm just only placing this in the inner part, and this is because I just really love that color, but I also wanted to utilize as many colors as possible in this palette. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and it's nothing extraordinary about this process, I guess. I'm just cutting my crease with my NYX full coverage concealer. You guys know I always use that concealer for every makeup look. It just kind of helps me get the colors on my lid a little bit more vibrantly, and it helps everything show better. So yeah, and I also still haven't really gotten my crease cutting technique down, so if you guys have any tips, leave them down in the comment section below. And in my inner corner, I'm taking Beam, and that is this soft pink iridescent purple shade. I really love this color. It's a beautiful shimmer shade, and it comes up purpley and pink and with a little specks of silver in it. So I'm just placing this in my inner corner with an eyeshadow brush. And you see me bringing this color a little bit over into my lid because the other colors that I'm going to place on the outer corners of my eye, I really want to kind of look seamless on the lid. So I'm also going to go in with Ecstasy again and just working this in my outer corner with the same brush. And then I'm also just going to go in with Rapture, and I'm placing this right there in between Ecstasy and Beam, and this actually just make the lid look a lot more vibrant. So I really love that. and it just makes everything stand out a lot more. So here you just kind of see me placing all of the colors back where they go, because when I was placing other colors on my lid, some of those colors kind of got swept away. So now I'm just taking my NYX Epic Wear Waterproof liquid liner. This is pretty new, you guys. I just picked this up from Ulta. This is the white shade, and let me see, yeah, it's just a simple white shade. And so far I really love this. I used it twice. I used it once on my sister, and this is actually my second time using it on myself. And I wanted to come up with this little look. I thought it would be really cute and really fun, and it just wouldn't be too much work. And so yeah, I really love the point on this. I love that when you initially pull it out of the tube, a lot of product is on the brush. I love how you can kind of wipe the brush off, add it on, and then, you know, just feel around the rim and add more product on, and then go back into your lid. I love that. So you don't have to fully go all the way back into the tube to get more product out. I love how you can just kind of brush the brush around the tube and kind of get it to be pointy before you actually add it onto your eyelid. So yeah, these are really bomb, and I'm going to do a full review on it, so no worries. Also, I'm just going to go ahead and take my black eyeliner from e.l.f. and give myself a cat eye. I just also thought this would be cute, adding it with the white. And then after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and add mascara and do my lashes.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look right here, and ultimately I love this palette. I think the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette is a small version of a bigger palette, if I'm not mistaken. So this is my first time trying Lime Crime anything for that matter, so I try to use as many colors in the palette as possible. And I really love the shade Beam. It's this iridescent pink purple shimmery shade, and it just kind of, I'll swatch it for you guys right here. Sure. So that is my favorite shade in this palette. Also used the NYX white liner pencil right here. You guys are going to also see a review on that, where I used all NYX products. And then I also had to incorporate the ColourPop Limoncello palette just for some neutrals and transition shade. So it had one dark shade, which I love that. It had plenty shimmers. So this is a palette that I wouldn't really use alone. I would definitely have to use this palette with multiple palettes just so I can transition the looks, if that makes any sense. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.